The right food processor can save you time in the kitchen. Today we're featuring the top 5 best food processors on Amazon. All product links are in the description below. Let's begin with number 1. Number 1. Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile food processor, the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor is an excellent choice. Powered by a 1,000-watt motor, it easily handles tough ingredients, making everyday food preparation faster and easier. Its spacious 9-cup bowl is perfect for chopping vegetables, slicing, pureeing sauces, shredding cheese, and even mixing dough for homemade bread or pizza. The Auto IQ preset programs take the guesswork out of food prep by delivering consistent results with the touch of a button. The included stainless steel chopping blade, dough blade, and slicing and shredding disc give you the flexibility to prepare a wide variety of recipes. The large feed chute also lets you process bigger ingredients with less cutting beforehand. If you want a reliable, high-performance food processor that saves time and makes cooking easier, the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. If you're looking for a versatile food processor that makes everyday meal preparation faster and easier, the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper is an excellent choice. With its large 10-cup bowl, it's perfect for preparing family meals and handling a wide variety of ingredients. This food processor can easily slice vegetables, shred cheese, chop onions, mince herbs, and puree sauces with precision. One of its standout features is the built-in bowl scraper, which lets you scrape the sides of the bowl while the machine is running. This helps keep ingredients moving without having to stop and remove the lid. The stainless steel slicing and shredding disc, along with the durable chopping blade, provide consistent results for many different recipes. The large feed chute also allows you to process bigger ingredients with less pre-cutting, helping save valuable time in the kitchen. Designed for convenience, the simple controls make it easy to switch between functions, while the removable parts are easy to clean after use. If you want a reliable food processor that combines a large capacity, powerful performance, and the convenience of a built-in bowl scraper, the Hamilton Beach Food Processor is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Cuisinart Pro Custom 11 Food Processor. If you're looking for a high-quality food processor that combines power, precision, and versatility, the Cuisinart Pro Custom 11 is an excellent choice. Its spacious 11-cup work bowl makes it perfect for preparing meals for families or entertaining guests. The stainless steel chopping blade, slicing disc, and shredding disc allow you to chop vegetables, shred cheese, slice fruits, puree sauces, and prepare a wide variety of recipes with ease. The extra-large feed tube also lets you process larger ingredients with less pre-cutting, helping save time in the kitchen. Simple on and pulse controls give you precise control over every task, while the dishwasher-safe, removable parts make cleanup quick and convenient. Built with Cuisinart's trusted quality, this food processor is designed to deliver reliable performance for years to come. If you want a durable, easy-to-use food processor with a large capacity and consistent performance, the Cuisinart Pro Custom 11 is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 12-Cup Stack and Snap Food Processor. If you're looking for a food processor that's powerful, spacious, and incredibly easy to assemble, the Hamilton Beach 12-Cup Stack and Snap Food Processor is an excellent choice. Its innovative stack and snap design eliminates complicated twisting and locking, allowing you to set up the machine quickly and start preparing meals in no time. The large 12-cup bowl provides plenty of capacity for family-sized recipes, while the powerful 450-watt motor easily handles chopping vegetables, slicing cucumbers, shredding cheese, mixing ingredients, and pureeing sauces. The stainless steel chopping blade and reversible slicing and shredding disc give you the versatility to prepare a wide variety of meals with ease. It also features a large feed chute, allowing you to process bigger ingredients with less pre-cutting, helping you save valuable time in the kitchen. With 2 speed settings and a pulse function, you have precise control whether you're making salsa, coleslaw, pizza dough, or homemade dips. The removable parts are easy to clean, and the durable BPA-free bowl is built for everyday use. Combining convenience, versatility, and dependable performance, the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap food processor is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to make meal preparation faster and easier. Number 5. Kamk food processor. If you're looking for a versatile food processor that can handle a wide range of kitchen tasks, the Camic food processor is an excellent choice. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it delivers reliable performance for everyday meal preparation while remaining easy to use. This multi-function food processor is designed for chopping vegetables, shredding cheese, slicing fruits, kneading dough, preparing French fries, crushing ice, and even processing meat. With multiple stainless steel blades and interchangeable discs, you can quickly switch between different food preparation tasks without needing extra appliances. One of its standout features is the preset functions, making it simple to select the right setting for different ingredients and recipes. The large feed chute also allows you to process bigger fruits and vegetables with less pre-cutting, helping save time in the kitchen. Its spacious work bowl provides plenty of capacity for preparing family meals, while the intuitive controls make operation easy for both beginners and experienced home cooks. The removable accessories are also easy to clean after use. If you want a powerful, all-in-one food processor that offers slicing, shredding, chopping, kneading, and more, the Kamk food processor is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, making everyday cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. That wraps up our top 5 best food processors. Whether you're chopping vegetables, slicing fruits, shredding cheese, kneading dough, or preparing everyday meals, there's a perfect food processor on this list for every kitchen. You'll find links to all the featured products in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top 5 Amazon product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.